Step 1. Turn off the power. Step 2. Install the form boards and, if desired, use a small piece of rebar to secure the niche in place. Step 3. Install the niche vertically in the area where the light will be present. Step 4. Run the wire tail to a location outside of the concrete for a future connection to the transformer. Step 5. Connect the niche to the rebar with duct tape to hold the light vertically in place. Step 6. Place the flange on top. Be sure the flange is level with the top of the finished concrete. Step 7. Cover the flange hole with a screw or tape to spot the top of the light during concrete pouring. Step 8. Pour the concrete and ensure the niche stays upright and attached to the rebar. Step 9. Remove the form boards and flange, leaving the niche in place. Finish the concrete around the niche, ensuring none gets inside. Step 10. Make wire connections using the pre-wired plugins. Step 11. Connect the main wire outside of the concrete using the supplied wire nuts. For the concrete lights and more, visit us at Tru-Scapes.com.